So let's start with some of the things that are great resources in my homeschool room. This area is very, very cluttered because I'm trying to figure out the best way to organize it. It's mainly books and puzzles and educational games. Right here, my printer. I love this printer, but I hate it at the same time. We have a love-hate relationship. I have two types of pencil sharpeners depending on which one they want to use. An electric sharpener here, and the old school one over there. Those are my two kiddos. And the posters. And you don't have to have posters in yours. I just prefer to have them. My kids love them. I found this banner up here for $2 at Goodwill, and I just had to get them. The whole alphabet. My son is going into kindergarten, and my daughter just likes the banner, so I got it for him mainly. And then I have these posters over here. I have a lot of posters all over the homeschool room. And I use this dry erase board when I'm teaching her math, and if I'm teaching them phonics, language arts, things like that, it just makes it easier. The table is right down here. I just got her a desk, so there's paint all over it, and just it is what it is. They ate breakfast, and that's just how it looks right now. But they use this table for now, and I got her a desk at a thrift store. And then I have the calendar over here. We go over this calendar. Let me turn off this light so it's not killing you. We got our calendar over here. And I got this on Amazon years ago when I first started homeschooling, and I thought it would be a nice touch to go over the date when you have your children doing circle time or morning time, however you want to call it, the weather. Over there, we go over the weather every morning. These are all the educational games and books. I get all of my books at the thrift store because they're usually 99 cents or cheaper if they're on sale. And we have some educational games over here, lots of puzzles that my daughter loves to do. Oh, that I have to throw out. That's the box from the pencil sharpener. And then this is our morning basket. Let me just show you what we have inside of this. In our morning basket, we have our phonics words, Brain Quest, which is great because it asks a lot of educational questions that your children can learn with you. As you're going through like life questions and things that they just should know. Find and Seek, it's a fun game that we do if I'm trying to kill some time in the morning to get ready before I start homeschool. Our Holy Bible, Kids Bible. And we haven't really used these. I might take these two out of our basket, but it's just STEAM, learning workbooks, and thinking and reasoning. And that's our morning basket. This is a hot mess right here, right now. I'm working on this, and I shouldn't have filmed it before. But I'm going to be organizing this today, separating the crayons out and putting it in the bin and stuff like that. So that's that, my dry erase board. The chalkboard, on that chalkboard, I write the letter or word of the day depending on what I'm doing for the day. And this chalkboard over here is just the calendar of personal events that are happening for the month. And let's see what else we have. Oh, and the bins. Let me show you the bins. These are both of my kids' bins. They're quite messy right now, but I'm just showing you the realness of homeschooling. Sometimes it just gets like this. This is Lucas's bin, my kindergartner. And I created, so these are their workbooks with scissors, reading, Teach Your Child to Read 100, Easy Lessons, we do that together. Two kindergarten books. They're quite different from each other. One's Scholastic, and the other one is just the big kindergarten book. But what I did that made this so much easier, every day, let me open this. This is his binder. He opens his binder. This is fresh paper, but he would just practice writing his name. And then on day one of the week, he would open his folder. There's nothing in it right now. I haven't done it yet. It would have all of the worksheets ripped out for him so that he can know exactly what he has to do for that day. So Lucas has one. Gotta organize this stuff right here. And then Riley has one as well. And it goes for 5 days, and they each have a different color folder for each day. And there's lined paper in the beginning of hers as well. And she also has a folder for any completed work. And that's just spelling words. These are her workbooks. I just keep them all in here. Some of the ones she did from first grade are in here too. And this is my folder. Not my folder. This is my bin where I keep my things. Uppbeat's math book, the folders with the worksheets for things that we've done on days that we didn't necessarily have school yet. And then I have right here, these two books are for their summer school. So we're going to be doing some summer review this summer, and those are two books I chose. This is my binder for all of the lesson plans. And I have to fix that still. I know, someone's gonna say something. But yeah, I have not fixed that. I keep forgetting every time I put it away. But I have my lesson plans in here for the week, for the month I meant. And that's my lesson plan binder. And then my other binder here is basically my guidebook binder on things that I just need to know. I keep my grade book in there, notes for the school year, attendance record, weekly checklist that I created for my son and my daughter. Let me go to that. I think there's something else behind that. What else is behind that? Oh yeah, the reading log. The reading log is back there. This is for the beginning of the September school year, so I haven't filled out any of this yet. And then our schedule. We have our homeschool routine time block schedule, and that's the old one. Then I have my annual schedule right here. The vision for the homeschool, I have that in there as a reminder for myself. Goals for my kids that I created. Letter of intent. Reading list. These are the books that I want them to read. And I'm also having a summer reading list that I'm creating for them too. This is for the school year. I haven't finished this yet. And then I have the last section of just lined paper for daily notes. And that's what's in my bin. And that is all that I have right now in my school, my homeschool. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next video.